Now let's discuss something light but very powerful, which is comments. Comments can be very helpful in cases that you have such long and many lines of codes, and when you like to type some hints for yourself or some colleague that you're working with in large teams, for example. Let's assume that I would like, this is a file actually from the previous lecture where we were talking about variables. Let's assume that I would like to remove hello Jon Snow of House Stark and the true is attached to it. I would like to remove this line from here. But I would go simply here and just delete it. Now it's gone. It's gone forever. And if I were to run this, no more Jon Snow, no more House Stark. It's deleted. But actually, what if I wanted to keep it? I would like, maybe I would change my mind. I would have it. I would like to keep it as a reference. I don't want it to lost it completely. Actually, here comments come in handy. I can just come here at the first of the statement that I would like to comment. Leave it, but don't compile it. It will not work. Come at the first statement and make slash slash. You see? Now it turns green. Now this means that this is a commented statement. This is a commented line. It's there. It's okay, no problem. But the compiler will not run it. The compiler will not come near it. It'll just leave it as it is. And if you were to run, see, but yes, no more Jonas now. See, it's very helpful actually, very powerful. And you can just remove it. What if I wanted to come here and actually comment all of these? I can come here and comment these. Now you see, it will give me errors right now because actually when I commented the declaration of the first name, last name, and the house, there are no more declaration for this. Visual Studio does not understand what is this. And actually here's the message. The name, first name does not exist because the declaration is gone. And if I get it back, see? So, what if I wanted to comment all of these lines in here? I can come here and do this. Now they are all commented, and I can go back and do this. But that's not actually very applicable to do if you have, for example, 100 lines or even more. It will not be very helpful. So there is one other way that you can do this to a block of code or many, which is the backslash, the slash, and the asterisk, and actually the asterisk and slash. You see? Very neat. I come here, put this symbol in here, and I come again here and put this symbol in here. Now, whatever is inside these two symbols, it is commented. So, this is another way. There is also a very easy way to do this with Visual Studio. I can go ahead and select whatever I want to comment in here and just come here and you see this one here, comment out these lines. Now you see, it's commented. What if I wanted to remove this comment from here? The other button, you see, very simple to do. One more usage of comments, and they are very helpful when you're working with large teams or you're leaving notes for yourself when you're coming back. Because you will forget, and trust me, you will forget when you're working with a project in, for example, right now, and maybe you'll come to edit it or maintain something in it after a month or a year. You'll forget what this logic, what these variables are doing. So maybe you will leave hints for yourself. So I can come here and tell it that these variables will define the names and houses. This is a very simple example, but maybe you will have an equation or any logic that you have in your program, and this comments will help you a lot. Okay, that's it for comments, and see you.